Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, sisters.
وعليكم السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته.
Okay. اللهم صل على محمد وعلى آل محمد كما صليت على إبراهيم وعلى آل إبراهيم إنك حميد مجيد. اللهم بارك على محمد وعلى آل محمد كما باركت على إبراهيم وعلى آل إبراهيم إنك حميد مجيد. Inshallah, today we are going to learn about Waqf. Waqf. Waqf is an Arabic word which means to pause or to stop. This is called Waqf. When you read the Quran, you need to stop at some places, right? So there are some rules of stopping, okay, and that rules are called the rules of Waqf. Okay, so here you have some basic rules of Waqf. So inshallah we'll see in the first rule how to do the Waqf on Fatha, Dammah or Kasra. Okay, now in the first line you can see that the ayat is ending with the Fatha. This is Fatha. Here the ayat is ending with the Dammah. And here the ayat or the line is ending with the Kasra. Okay. So when you want to stop on Fatha, Dhamma or Kasra, you will change them into a Sukoon. This is the rule of doing the Waqf on Fatha, Dhamma and Kasra. So I'm going to read the first line. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم فلينظر الإنسان مما خلق. Okay, here you have seen I didn't say خلق. Okay, خلق is not allowed if I have planned to stop there. Okay, and what did I do? I changed this fatha into a sukoon. Instead of fatha, I read it as if I have a sukoon on the qaf. Okay, so I'll repeat it again. فَلْيَنْظُرِ الْإِنسَانُ مِمَّا خُلِقَ. Okay, now let's see how to do the waqf on the dhamma, the second line. Same thing, you will change the dhamma into a sukoon. اقرأ وربك الأكرم. Not akramu. No. If you are running out of breath or for any reason, if you are stopping at some place in the Quran where you have fatha, dhamma or kasra, you will change them into a sukoon and then you stop. Okay, you can stop for many reasons. Sometimes you stop because of sneezing or because of you are running out of breath or you have a pause there. For any reason you can stop, right? So this is how you will do the waqf on the dhamma. And the last one is the kasra. So the way of doing the waqf on the kasra is again you will change it into a sukoon. وَمَا أَدْرَاكَ مَا لَيْلَةُ الْقَدْرِ. Not qadri. If you say qadri, you have to continue to the next line. You cannot take a break there. Okay. So the rule says that when you have the fatha, kasra or dhamma, and if you're stopping there, you will have to change them into a sukoon. Okay. Now we'll see how to do the waqf on double dhamma or double kasra. Okay. Double dhamma is this sign. This sign is called double dhamma. This is also double dhamma. And this is double kasra. Right? Two kasras. Double kasra. So when you want to stop on double dhamma or double kasra, you will again do the same thing. You will change it into a sukoon. Instead of this sign, you will read as if you have sukoon on them. Okay. So the first line, فَيَوْمَئِذٍ لَا يُعَذِّبُ عَذَابَهُ أَحَدٌ. Right? I didn't say ahadun. It's not allowed. Okay. So you have read dal as if you have dal sukoon here. Dal sukoon.
Yeah.
So this is how you will be stopping when you have a double dhamma. Next line. إن كل نفس لما عليها حافظ. Right? Not حافظ. No. حافظ. Because I have double dhamma and I stopped there. So I changed the double dhamma into a sukoon. Same thing you will do when you have a double kasra. When you have double kasra, you again change it into a sukoon instead of double kasra. You will read as if you have sukun on it. وَلَا بِقَوْلِ كَاهِنٍ. Not وَلَا بِقَوْلِ كَاهِنٍ. كَاهِنٍ, no. كَاهِن, because you stopped there. Okay, so the rule of stopping on fatha, kasra, dhamma, or double dhamma or double kasra is same. What you do is you will change them into a sukun. It's a very simple rule. I hope you understood this rule. Do you have any questions?
Yeah, I
Mhm.
have a question. How do we identify this? When to apply this rule? I mean, it's applied only at the end of the ayat.
you you can stop at the end of the ayat, which is highly recommended that you can stop at the end of the ayat. But sometimes the ayats are too big, right? You cannot read one ayah in one breath, so you need to stop at some point in the middle of the ayat, right? At some point in the middle of the ayah. So
Mm.
you will follow this rule wherever you are stopping. Wherever you are stopping in the Quran, you will follow this rule. If you are stopping in the middle of the ayat on a word that has a fatha, dhamma, or kasra at the in the last word, then you will change it into a sukun.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Jazakallah khair.
Waiyakum. Any other questions?
So
No,
it's
sister.
not applied for double fatha?
Yes, double fatha is coming in the next lesson, inshallah. So, very good question, sister. This rule, changing the haraka means sign, changing the haraka into a sukun is only done for fatha, kasra, dhamma, double kasra, double dhamma, not with the double fatha. The rule for stopping on the double fatha is completely different, which we'll see in the next lesson, inshallah. I hope this was, you found this bit helpful, inshallah. I will see you all in the next lesson. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك نشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت نستغفرك ونتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.
وعليكم السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته.
جزاك الله خير.